Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an essential topic that makes all the difference in how we speak and write parts of speech. Ready? Let's go! 8 main parts of speech in English: nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, prepositions, conjunctions, interjections. Let's break these down with fun examples. First part is nouns. A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. Nouns can be common, dog, city, book, or proper, Charlie, London, Titanic. They can also be singular, apple, or plural, apples. Example, the cat sat on the mat. Cat and mat are nouns. Second part is pronouns. A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun to avoid repetition and make sentences smoother. Common pronouns include he, she, it, they, and we. Pronouns can be personal, I, you, he, possessive, mine, yours, theirs, reflexive, myself, yourself, and relative, who, which, that. Example, Sarah loves her dog. She takes it for a walk daily. She replaces Sarah, it replaces dog. Third part is verbs. A verb is a word that expresses an action, occurrence, or state of being. Action verbs show what someone or something is doing: run, jump, eat. Linking verbs connect the subject to a state or condition: is, seem, become. Helping verbs assist the main verb to form a complete thought: has, will, can. Example, Tom runs every morning. Runs is a verb. Fifth part is adverbs. An adverb is a word that modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb by providing information about how, when, where, or to what extent an action occurs. Adverbs often end in ly, quickly, happily, silently, but not always, very well, fast. Example, she sang beautifully. Beautifully describes how she sang. Sixth part is prepositions. A preposition is a word that shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun and another word in the sentence. It often indicates direction, place, time, or manner: on, in, at, under, between, after, with. Example, the book is on the table. On shows the relationship between book and table. Seventh part is conjunctions. A conjunction is a word that connects words, phrases, or clauses, helping to create complex and meaningful sentences. There are 3 main types: coordinating and, but, or subordinating, because, although, while, and correlative, either, or, neither, nor. Example, I wanted to go outside, but it was raining. But connects 2 ideas. Eighth part is interjection. An interjection is a word or phrase that expresses strong emotions or sudden reactions. They often stand alone and are followed by an exclamation mark. Wow! Ouch! Hooray! Interjections add excitement or emphasis to a sentence. Example, wow! That's amazing! Wow expresses excitement. Now let's put this to the test. I'll show you a sentence and you tell me the parts of speech. The quick fox jumps over the lazy dog. What are the nouns? Type your answers in the comments. What's the verb? Think fast. Which words are adjectives? Spot them. Awesome job! If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more fun lessons.
See you next time.